同學你好啊，想請問下，你覺得你今日最中意嘅攤位係邊個攤位啊？
我今日最中意嘅攤位係頭壺，
咁點解嘅？
因為佢可以鍛鍊我哋嘅眼力。
我中意製作香囊呢個攤位，因為佢哋好香。我都中意香囊呢一個攤位，因為佢哋可以防蚊。我都中意香囊呢個活動，因為我覺得好有趣。
傳統美食，
點解嘅？
因為可以食到美味嘅爆谷，同埋嗰啲爆谷係家長整嘅。
哦，咁你咧？
我都係傳統美食。
點解啊？
因為家長義工整啲爆谷好好味。我最中意食嘢嘅攤位。
點解啊？
因為好好食。
Are you getting on with the plate spinning activity? It's really fun. In the end, I still made it. Nice to hear that. Enjoy.
Good morning, I'm the English ambassador Ella. How are you getting on with the Little Lion statue?
I think this is a bit difficult to paint, but I am enjoying and I like it.
Glad to know it. Enjoy, English ambassador Samuel. How are you getting on with your tiny lion statue?
It is great because I can paint with my favorite color, pink and purple.
It sounds great. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm the English ambassador Ella. Do you like today's activities?
Yes, they are interesting.
Good, thank you. Gemma, are you dressing up as the god of the wealth?
That's correct. I'm the god of wealth.
What is this for?
It's to bring good fortune to everyone.
I'm sure you will bring joy to the kids.
Thank you. I hope so. Happy Chinese New Year, everyone.
Hi, Miss Julie. You look amazing. Are you dressing up as a horse? What is it for?
Well, as you know, it's Chinese New Year and it's going to be the year of the horse. So that's why I'm dressed up as a horse.
I'm sure the kids will be happy. Thank you.
咁想請問史老師，你覺得今日嘅中華文化嘅氣氛係點㗎？
我覺得今日嘅氣氛好熱鬧啦，好難得咧，咁多人咧都着咗華服翻嚟啦。平時都淨係見到小朋友着校服翻嚟喎，但係今日好特別，大家都着華服翻嚟，即刻好有新年氣氛。
高老師你好啊，我想問下你對今年嘅中華文化嘅氣氛好唔好啊？
哇！今年中華文化嘅氣氛好好啊，啲同學咧玩得好開心啦，仲話啲爆谷好好味添喎。
我哋都好希望咧，今日咧將我哋嘅新年嘅祝福咧，除咗帶俾我哋莊啟程嘅小朋友啦，帶俾馮友嘅小朋友啦、家長啦，亦都仲有咧一班嘅街坊。
好開心，開心，因為我可以踢到波入個窿。
感謝家長義工為我哋今日默默付出。我想問你哋對今日嘅個經歷有啲乜嘢感受啊？
好開心啦，好有中華文化日嘅氣氛啦，同埋咧我哋好多少少嘅攤位啦，我哋亦都有香囊啦，有托印啊、揮春咁樣咧，咁所有小朋友玩得好開心，好有氣氛。
哦，咁你咧？
主要都係又有家長一齊參與啦，小朋友見到媽媽喺度咧特別開心，或者爸爸去參與。咁我哋每個活動咧都好有特色嘅，所以咧其實我哋都好歡迎家長咧一齊嚟參與做義工，一齊體驗呢一個咁有意義嘅活動。
哦，多謝晒你哋。